Hello and welcome. My name is Pete, and today we're going to interview Dr. Soy Ramsamir from Comprehensive Type 2 Diabetes Services about the prevention and management of type 2 diabetes. My first question for Dr. Ramsamir: are there many people affected with this disease?
Thanks for inviting me, Pete. And yes, there were 100 million Americans that were diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and prediabetes in 2017, from 30.3 million, or 9.2% of the population that were diagnosed in 2015. This is according to a report that was done by the CDC. But on a global scale, a study was done in 2013 that stated that type 2 diabetes affects almost 382 million people worldwide, with an expected increase of almost 600 million by the year 2035. In my practice, I also see many patients affected with this chronic illness, type 2 diabetes.
What got you interested in this illness?
To answer your question, it's really my mother. She had suffered a stroke while I was in accounting and finance, and she was given 1 week to 3 months to live, but survived almost 3 years, then died from complications of pneumonia. Her medications were drastically reduced at the hospital where she was diagnosed with a stroke. I remember counting the pill bottles, and it was 26 at the emergency room. The term polypharmacy comes to mind, as she had to take so many medications for the umpteen complications that she encountered from the high blood glucose levels or sugar levels for the 20 years that she was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes.
Do you believe there's a way to control a patient's blood sugar level?
Yes, there are several ways that you can control the blood glucose level. And many may know that when you go to the clinics, they will draw your blood to test for the glucose level, then prescribe medication or medications based on the A1C result. They also check your cholesterol and blood pressure and prescribe medications, along with offering some health teaching. As this is my specialty, dealing with type 2 diabetes for 23 years now in various settings, along with my research for the doctorate degree published on making slight alterations to the Hispanic Mexican foods to lower glycemic value, and designing programs to treat individuals with type 2 diabetes to lower or prevent its complications while being cost effective, I have the knowledge that will definitely make a difference in your life to stabilize your blood glucose levels. So to answer your question, we control your blood glucose level using what you eat, not just offering medications. Our team at Comprehensive Type 2 Diabetes Services makes slight alterations by tweaking the preparation methods of meals or menus to achieve the best results to lower your blood glucose levels. So we do things a little different from just giving medications. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing to give a medication, but we also instill the need to be personalized and individualized with care to people of all ethnicities and who are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes based on their meal preferences and their circumstances. In addition, we offer education which leads to a healthier life without taking tons of medications like my mother did before her stroke. Our goal is to make you healthier using your own ethnic foods or foods that you like to eat, so that you don't have to take as many medications or medications at all. What you eat has more of an effect on your health than just physical activity, but when combined, the results are extraordinary. Not just for the management of type 2 diabetes, but also mentality, sexual dysfunctions, among other benefits.
What makes your approach at Comprehensive Type 2 Diabetes Services unique?
It's easier to follow our methodology, and it works well to control and prevent several complications such as blindness or kidney failure, just by making slight alterations in the preparation, foods that the people like to eat, or their ethnic foods, and what they're accustomed to or what they can afford to spend to purchase those foods. This illness requires an individualized approach, since one size doesn't fit all, and adherence would be an issue if a person doesn't like what they're told to eat, instead of what they're accustomed to eat. I had to learn how to cook South American, West Indian foods that my mother was accustomed to eating instead of the Canadian meals that I'm used to eating. So this is the key to combat this chronic illness from destroying lives all over the world. The meals must be personalized to each individual. At Comprehensive Type 2 Diabetes Services, we empower and support people, not increase their stress levels. This includes not just the individuals who are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, but their caregivers as well. Knowledge is power. A little bit of education on the management of this chronic illness can make a huge difference, not just for the persons who are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, but for everyone involved, including the healthcare systems and the economy.
What's on your website that would help patients with type 2 diabetes?
We offer basic do-it-yourself educational videos on blood glucose monitoring, Footcare, and meal preparations, especially to reduce the starch content in rice, potatoes, yuca or cassava, Edos, along with suggestions for physical activity for people who are both ambulatory and non-ambulatory. And this is all done in a cost-effective manner. We also have PowerPoint presentations, recipes, and other simplified educational materials to help manage this chronic illness, and we will keep adding more.
Is your program cost-effective?
Yes, we treat all people, and our services are very affordable. Several individuals have limited income or budget to spend on specialized diabetes products such as socks or footwear. To pay for lab results, the co-pays can be high, and also for medications, plus taking time off work to go to the providers for issues with unstable glycemic values, which could lead to monies being deducted from their salaries due to loss of work. Also, prepackaged meals for people with type 2 diabetes can add up. We work with what the person can afford to spend or purchase, by tweaking their preparation methods of their meals and offer ideas for substitutions using their own cultural foods, as well as offering simplified suggestions with our do-it-yourself educational videos such as basic Footcare or blood glucose monitoring. So basically, our approach to treating type 2 diabetes is cost-effective because it keeps people out of the emergency rooms or out of the healthcare systems and back at work earning an income or going to school.
What can people with type 2 diabetes gain from visiting your website?
On our website, we have information on the management of type 2 diabetes to educate people on achieving stable blood glucose or blood sugar values using an individualized or ethnic approach. This is what makes it very different. On our shopping page, you will notice that we offer educational videos and other materials, all related to the management and prevention of type 2 diabetes and its complications. So our services are also geared to people who are diagnosed with pre-diabetes, as it will take these individuals 5 years approximately before they're diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, if the blood glucose level constantly stays at that borderline. Therefore, we really want to avoid people from being diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, so we work hard with you, what you put into your mouth and what you can adhere to with respect to eating and partaking in physical activity. So we basically ask you to tell us what you like, and then we make the adjustments based on our calories and a simplified approach to help you so that you can be compliant or be sticking to what we're asking you to do to help you prevent type 2 diabetes.
Is there anything you would like to say to the patients who have recently found out that they now have type 2 diabetes?
Yes, they can live healthy and carry on with their daily routine of work, school, or family and prevent the complications from type 2 diabetes while still enjoying their own ethnic or cultural foods. Your medications may even lessen, as in my mother's situation, and you can continue living a normal life. A major concern is to learn how to monitor your blood glucose level and recognize the symptoms of hypo and hyperglycemia that could lead to serious problems or conditions. Comprehensive type 2 diabetes services offers simplified and easy to follow educational resources to care for yourself by making slight alterations to your nutritional intake using your own ethnic foods. In many cultures, food is comforting. Therefore, we stress how to eat right using smaller portions more frequently that will lead to adherence, which could prevent type 2 diabetes from controlling your life.
How would a person with type 2 diabetes get in touch with your services?
They could reach us at t2dmservices.com, which T2DM stands for type 2 diabetes mellitus, so it's t2dmservices.com, or they could email us at info@t2dmservices.com. If you're already on our website, simply subscribe and send us an email, or you can access the shopping cart to purchase whatever services you need.
In closing, do you have any advice to give to people who are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes?
Make sure that you understand the emergencies of type 2 diabetes and how to avoid them. Then start with making slight changes to your eating habits using your own ethnic foods, as this is a life-altering illness that requires your participation. This is the direct path to stabilize your glycemic value and prevent the numerous complications associated with type 2 diabetes. And yes, we can help you.
Thank you, Dr. Ramsamir.
My pleasure, Pete.